Good morning, everybody. Brian Morris here. It is Tuesday, September 11th, 2018. I apologize. I did not have a video yesterday. I did have a video, but I accidentally deleted it when I was in editing, and I couldn't get it back. I have part of it, but since it was in a couple of sections, but I didn't want to just piece together something that didn't make any sense. I actually did have a down day. I was down, I think it was 20 ticks. I'll have to go back and check the spreadsheet log again, but it was not a great day at all. I was not disciplined. It was my fault that I lost all of that, and we're trying not to have that happen again. It's 8:40 a.m. Let me just bring the clock over and show you 8:40 a.m. on 9/11. We had some support down here. It broke through these EMAs as resistance, is a resistance level, and is now in a recharge, and hopefully we'll get this up for. I'm trying something different. Instead of going for 16 ticks each day, I'm going for 9. The creator of the system only advises 1 trade per day, and I think that's probably wise. If you lose the 1 trade, the first trade, then there's a method for the second trade. So I'm going to try that out and see if this works out for us. And I think this would be a less stress, less time-consuming event to do it this way. So we're going to try this out and see if we can get to where we need to go. It's probably going to take more than 120 days to get to where we need to go, but we're going to see. So we'll pause the video and see if this trade sets up. If not, we'll wait for another good one. Just a quick update, that trade did not evolve, so it has broken through the support here, so we'll see if we'll get a recharge back down. Still have some time before the open. I lost my clock up here. I'll have to put that back. It's 8:53 a.m. So we'll keep an eye on any new trades prior to the open. Okay, market's open. I'm going to see if we can pick up. Oh, we're going to get rid of this. It moved down too quickly on me. Would have been a winner, though. Maybe 27 3/4. Yep, just been a winner. We could have taken that short, but there's a tight range for support there, unless it breaks through. I'm just going to pause the video. We'll let the market settle down a little bit, and then we'll come back. Looks like maybe there's some momentum to the downside here. That one probably could have, but better to be safe. You want to take 1 good trade, and then be done for the day. Alright, we're going to see if we can get into this trade. Looks like a tick of slippage, but let's see if we can get it nice. Done. Just like that. We are done. Come on. Does it say crude oil up there? Let's see. There we go. $45. Let me pause the video. I'll get ready the spreadsheet and show you yesterday and what we're doing today. Okay, so as you can see, yesterday, actually, let me spread this out a little bit. Let's see, this will be 6 days when we're done here. Actually, yesterday, minus 20 ticks, 12 trades, 6 out of 6, down 140 with commissions, down 194. And they happen to take my, I pay $180 quarterly for the full NinjaTrader license, which gives you the ability to use the ATM strategies and be able to use the chart trader with automatic stops and target profits and stuff like that added to the trade as soon as you enter and stuff like that. That requires a cost from NinjaTrader, so that comes out quarterly and just came out. This is more for, this here is for the different markets that I probably will adjust, because right now I'm only trading the NQ, but also can trade the FDAX and the S&P A-mini and stuff like that. So that's what this guy was, and this was the quarterly thing here. So Basically, we're back down to about where I started after yesterday's loss and those fees coming out. So kind of frustrating and wasn't a great day. Today we got, you can see here my new target, 9 ticks, which is what we're going to go for, 1 trade. So I got 9 ticks, 1 trade, 1 win, 0 losses. And, from now on we're gonna keep it more, like this. So, oh, well, we don't want that. What did I make? 45 here. So, right on target. I do need to make an adjustment to this because I want my variance to be accurate. So let me pause the video and make an adjustment real quick. Okay, so there we go. There's the adjustment. I just adjusted the formula to take out the number of commissions. So, like with one, if I were to trade one here, I was looking for 2 trades, so I would have, and 8 ticks a piece, which is $40. So 2 full winners would have been $80 minus commissions. So in that situation, it would have. This is what I needed to net. Of course, this is what I did net, so I was ahead. So. Today I'm down quite a bit from where I need to be, so I've got some catching up to do, and I think we can do that. We're going to stick to 1 trade a day and work our way. As you can see, as we start scaling our contracts, we can start. This is the daily net here, so you can see the daily net after 120 days, which is where I initially was going to be, was about $450 there. So I changed the trade plan to 500 a day, because we're going to stay there for quite a bit, and then by the end of the year we'll be by the end of the 12th month. So this time next year we'll be close to $700 a day, and that's a good chunk of change, 170 a year. But we'll keep going, and this may change as time goes on, because I feel like we can probably bump these numbers up a little bit sooner. We'll just see how things go. And by the time it's all said and done, we'll be at 25 contracts over $1,000 a day. But right now, that's not looking to be done until month 21, which at this point, I don't even know what that is. But I've got the dates mapped out for here. Actually, hang on just a second. I've got more. So, there we go at this point. I've got it mapped out till about the end of the year. So by the end of the year, we'll be making close to $300 a day. We'll see how all this goes. We'll have been trading 6, 7, 8 contracts, and pulling out some money by the end of the year. We'll see. Looks like around November, we'll pull out 2,000. We'll pull out 3,000 around Christmas time, and 3,000. So it looks like maybe $8,000 by the end of the year that we'll actually be able to pull out. And you can see as I pull out more money, the account gets adjusted, which clearly isn't working on that one. So, but like here, you can see that's been adjusted. But this needs to be adjusted here. So I'll work on these formulas, and we'll get that figured out. See, those formulas aren't being taken out properly, so that's going to affect my contract status. But you get the point. We'll get all that fixed. We'll worry about that when the time comes. So anyway, that's what I've got for today. Sorry for the longer explanation, but it didn't get a video yesterday. Didn't have a great day. Wish I could have shown you some of the losses and explained why I lost, but sometimes that is what it is.